Hello YouTubers, this is Locutus de Borg with a modest, very modest, Damascus Spectacular. Let's start with a William Henry. This is a B-12 TMW. Like most William Henry knives, it has a ZDP 189 blade core with Damascus overlay, stainless steel. The bolster and liner is titanium, and the scales are Mammoth Bone Mammoth. I'm going to bring it a little closer. We'll just set that baby down and move to the next knife, which is very similar, but really a better EDC knife. And this is a B-12 Terrain. This is an exclusive knife to the company Knife Arts. It's, again, a ZDP 189 blade with Damascus overlay, titanium bolsters, and Micarta scales. And I want to bring it a little close so you can see the scales and the blade. Kind of unusual for William Henry, this has a clip. It's 1.2 ounces and is a great EDC knife. Let's set that down. And here we go with another William Henry. I've done a separate video on this. It's a B-05 Monarch. Mike Norris Typhoon Damascus blade. Mokume Gane bolsters and liner. And carbon fiber scales. Let's change it up a bit and go to Chris Reeve. This is a Devon Thomas raindrop Damascus blade. It's a small Sebenza 21. I wanted this uncluttered. So you can really see the coloration. And let's follow up with another Chris Reeve knife, my first Mnandi. Box elder burl, scales, and the same raindrop Damascus blade. These Mnandis are small, but really pleasant little knives, and as well made as all of the Chris Reeve knives. And my final Damascus knife is the B30 Range. This is copper wave Damascus, meaning it's copper, stainless steel, nickel over a VG10 core. You can see the beautiful copper. Let's see if we can get a close-up. Solid sterling carved bolsters and ironwood scales. Again, let's take another look at the blade. So that's it for the Damascus Spectacular. Modest, but it's a start. Locutus de Borg saying out until my next video. Thank you.